I'm gonna just go ahead and tell you what kind of problem I was having and what I did to fix the problem. So when I turn on the AC, when I push the button and turn on the AC, sometime, not every time, but sometime I'll hear a squeaky sound. And then I'll turn off the AC and then the sound will go away. And then when I turn the AC back on, sometimes that sound will come back on, but sometimes it doesn't come back on. This car have only one drive belt. This is the drive belt. Some car have more than one belt. The drive belt is connected to the AC compressor pulley. AC compressor for this car is down here. The AC compressor pulley is towards the bottom. I changed this drive belt back in June 21st, 2024. Right now it's May 10, 2025. Ever since I changed the drive belt, I've been using the AC. I've been turning the AC on, and I have never heard the squeaky sound came back on ever since the drive belt was replaced. If you want to try doing what I did, and if you have more than one belt next to your engine, then the belt you want to change is the one connected to the AC compressor pulley. I was gonna change this belt whether the AC is making a squeaky sound or not. The belt change, it was just a maintenance that I did. Something you want to keep in mind is that the problem might not be the belt, it could be something else. So if you change the belt, you might still hear the squeaky sound when you turn on the AC. The problem could be the pulley. Maybe you have a loose pulley, or it could be another problem. But for me, when I changed the belt, it worked for me. For you, it could be a different story, or it could just be the belt